Your heart is a tireless worker, pumping blood throughout your body 24/7. To keep it running smoothly, it needs the right fuel. Discover the power of food to nourish your heart and reduce your risk of heart disease. Heart disease is a leading cause of death worldwide. But did you know that a simple dietary change can significantly reduce your risk? A specific nutrient, often overlooked, can supercharge your heart health. What could it be? Switching out just one food group can have a dramatic impact on your heart health. What common food could be sabotaging your heart health? We often overlook some common foods that can significantly benefit our heart health. Which everyday food, often underestimated, is a powerful ally in protecting our cardiovascular system. What's the simple yet powerful breakfast that can fuel your day and protect your heart? Imagine a humble, unassuming grain packed with power. This grain, with its gentle nature, can soothe your body, nourish your soul, and protect your heart. Oatmeal is highly nutritious, offering more protein than most grains along with a variety of vitamins and minerals. It also contains antioxidants and beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that benefits multiple body systems. Oats are rich in unique antioxidants called avenanthramides, which are absent in other cereal grains. These antioxidants help reduce inflammation and relax blood vessels, contributing to improved heart health. Imagine a culinary treasure from the depths of the ocean, rich in heart-healthy fats and essential nutrients. This aquatic delight can nourish your body, sharpen your mind, and protect your heart. Incorporating this food into your diet is like fueling a high-performance engine with premium-grade oil. It provides essential nutrients that keep your body running smoothly, supports heart health, and boosts brain function, ensuring optimal performance. Regularly eating salmon may help reduce the risk of heart disease, largely due to its ability to raise blood levels of omega-3 fatty acids. Many individuals have an imbalance of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which research indicates may increase the risk of heart disease. An older study found that consuming 2 servings of farmed salmon per week over 4 weeks raised omega-3 levels in the blood by 8 to 9% and lowered omega-6 levels. Moreover, studies suggest that regular fish consumption may lower triglyceride levels and improve several other heart disease risk factors. Imagine tiny, vibrant powerhouses packed with antioxidants and essential nutrients. These little gems can help protect your heart, boost your brain power, and brighten your skin. Adding these fruits to your diet is like giving your body a colorful shield. They're packed with protective nutrients that strengthen your defenses, fight off harmful elements, and keep you feeling vibrant and energized. Berries have been found to aid in lowering blood pressure. Their phenolic compounds promote vasodilation, or the widening of blood vessels, which improves blood flow and helps reduce hypertension. Consuming them regularly may result in noticeable improvements in blood pressure management. What tiny, crunchy powerhouse can protect your heart and keep it strong? Including these snacks in your diet is like tuning up your heart's engine with precision tools. They provide the essential components to keep it running efficiently, reduce wear and tear, and ensure long-lasting performance. Adding nuts to your diet can greatly benefit heart health. Studies consistently demonstrate that eating nuts regularly is linked to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. Studies show that people who regularly consume nuts have a 30% to 50% lower risk of heart attacks and other cardiovascular events compared to those who eat them infrequently. Consuming as little as 1 ounce of nuts per day can lower the risk of heart disease, according to findings from large cohort studies such as the Nurses' Health Study and the Physicians' Health Study. Fuel your body with nature's best-kept secret for a strong heart, packed with nutrients that help maintain healthy blood pressure, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, giving your heart the care it deserves. Imagine a verdant forest, teeming with life and vitality. The lush foliage, rich in nutrients, can purify the air and promote growth. Similarly, a diet rich in leafy green vegetables can nourish the body, cleanse the arteries, and promote heart health. Consuming leafy greens regularly has been associated with lower systolic blood pressure. One study found that people who ate more nitrate-rich vegetables had notable reductions in blood pressure, which plays a key role in lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Imagine a decadent treat, rich and velvety, that not only satisfies your cravings, but also nourishes your heart. This indulgence, packed with antioxidants and heart-healthy flavonoids, can be a delightful addition to a heart-healthy lifestyle. Picture a bittersweet treasure, a gift from nature, packed with antioxidants that can shield your heart from harm. Consuming dark chocolate regularly has been linked to moderate reductions in blood pressure. Research indicates that the bioactive compounds in cocoa can help lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it advantageous for those with hypertension. Boost your heart health with a natural, nutrient-packed powerhouse that helps lower bad cholesterol and promote better circulation. Packed with healthy fats, this delicious food is your heart's best friend, offering essential nutrients that support a strong, thriving cardiovascular system. Imagine a smooth green treasure, packed with heart-healthy fats. This natural wonder can nourish your body, protect your heart, and keep you feeling vibrant. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, especially oleic acid, which helps lower bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and increase good cholesterol, HDL, levels. This balance is important for reducing the risk of coronary artery disease and enhancing overall heart health. Taking care of your heart starts with the food you eat. Incorporating foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, and berries can help keep your heart strong and healthy for years to come. Remember, heart health is just as much about what you eat as how you live. So why not make every meal a step toward a healthier you? Want to learn more about heart-healthy recipes and lifestyle tips? Check out our other videos linked right here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more tips for a healthier heart. See you in the next video.